Washing clothes and bedding in hot water. Experts say that a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius will kill all stages of a bedbug's life cycle. It's a good idea to maintain this heat for at least 20 minutes, preferably an hour. Washing your clothes or bedding in hot water should be enough to kill them, but if you want even more reassurance, spinning them in a hot dryer will definitely kill them. If you don't have access to a washing machine or dryer, you can still kill the critters by stuffing your bug-infested clothes or bedding in a bin bag, sealing it, and putting it out in the sun on a hot day. As long as the inside of the bag reaches 50 degrees Celsius and stays that way for 20 minutes, you'll effectively kill the bugs in question. 2. Freezing bug-infested clothing and bedding. Just as bed bugs hate high heat, they hate freezing temperatures too. Items like shoes, clothes, jewelry, books, and toys can all be safely stored in a freezer for several hours or overnight to kill the bugs by causing ice to form in their insides. You'll just need enough space inside your freezer, and it needs to be at a temperature of minus 18 degrees Celsius or below. Put the items into plastic bags and leave them for at least 2 hours. In this case, putting your belongings in a plastic bag and leaving them outside in cold temperatures won't be enough. The colder the temperature, the quickly and more effectively a bed bug will be killed. Unless you live in Antarctica, it's unlikely that your outdoor temperatures will fall low enough to kill a bed bug by freezing. Even the smallest bed bugs can survive in temperatures as low as minus 15 degrees Celsius. 3. Apply silica gel to your carpets. Even when you successfully remove bed bugs from your furniture and other items, they may still be hiding in your carpets. Once you've cleaned the rest of your home, you'll need to give your carpet a deep clean to ensure there are no more lingering bugs. First, you can use double-sided tape to trap the bugs. Apply it around the outsides of your carpet where bed bugs may crawl when they're trying to avoid being too noticeable. Focus especially on areas of carpet near cracks or holes in your walls. Next, spread some DIY bed bug powder into your carpets. Silica gel, aka the stuff that comes in a little packet with some dried food products, is a particularly effective formula for a number of days, which will help eliminate the biggest number of bugs. Remember that while vacuuming bed bugs will get rid of them from your home, it's only essentially solving half the problem. Your vacuum won't usually kill the bed bugs, which means your vacuum bag is going to be infested with the critters. It's wise to replace your vacuum bag after you've finished with it to prevent the bed bugs from re-entering your home once it's bed bug free.